Welcome back. Got the engine on the stand now, so we're gonna start tearing this thing down. The car that this came out of did not have the factory engine. This D15B does not come in that car, so I know it's been swapped. Curious what pistons and rods and everything is in here. Who knows? Maybe it's already built. I doubt it, but obviously someone swapped it in. Maybe they refreshed it. Who knows? Got the intake off. Gonna go ahead and start removing the distributor and probably take off the valve cover as well. Well, the good news is, guys, the block actually looks like it's pretty good shape. No significant scoring on any of the cylinders, which is great. This must have just been machined. Look how clean this deck surface is. I want to get the oil pan off. Go ahead and get these pistons tapped out of here. Get this down to a bare block. That way I can go ahead and send it to the machine shop and have them mic up everything. Send them the new pistons. See if this thing's been bored or not. I doubt it. But maybe. I mean, there's absolutely like no ridge on these. This is a fresh block for sure. Well, I've ran into a bit of an issue. This crank pulley bolt is so tight. I've tried every impact I have. I've tried my long breaker bar. I've even put this like, I don't know, 4-foot bar on it and still cannot get it to rotate. It just keeps wanting to pick up the stand. So what I've done is I've sat my car lift on top of the stand. That way it won't rotate the stand anymore. I'm gonna try this breaker bar again. Finally. That should not be that tight. So I got the pistons knocked out of there, and all I got to do now is just remove the crank, which I'll do at another time. But here's the pistons, and man, these sure are some really thin rods. See why these motors have to be rebuilt to hold any kind of boost, because that is actually insane. I mean, that's like the width of my finger. That's insane. Anyway, I'm excited to go ahead and get this out. Get this block stripped completely down. Once we get this block back from the machine shop, we'll throw in the new pistons, throw in the new rods, and build it back. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.